You are now listening to Young Chicks. You are now listening
Well,
to Young
people,
Chicks.
welcome back to another YouTube video. Yeah, that DSU fam.
Look, my flow's unmatched. I talk to myself on my own, I'm capped. Columbus, the way I took over the map. Composure, women lose that around me. My accountants, monthly fees and branded. I wanna see me and YBs expand. But I got a strategic plan. I'm a big man now, I gotta feed the fam. Serious now, it's not a joke. Live yours, not gang, it's more like a coat. Big boy ranges, bold, not bold. Right, cheap wagging that right at the boat. Girl stressed out, can't get a hold of me, no. Nomination, I got 4 awards. Point lead, my team got a scoreboard. Century a warlord, only one more. I don't know many that done it like man. MDMA, same colour as man.
I don't usually do that.
So my DM request
back,
got bare black
AB's
bees
back.
that ain't
Yeah,
back.
man, everything back, everything wicked up back. Yo, check my car. Check my car. Sexy. Yeah. Anyway, yo, people, welcome back to the YouTube video. If you don't know, it's me, AB, Abo2 Atto. If you've not been watching my videos, obviously, you know, the rebuild on the car's finished. So, yeah, man. I've not actually had the chance to actually drive the car properly, like thrash it. When I mean thrash it, I don't mean like heavily thrash it. Just give it a little tickle. Woo! So in today's video, we're just gonna give it a proper tickle and see what the car's saying. You're gonna get my honest, genuine reaction. I might be a bit numb to the reaction because I know my own car. I know what sort of speed it's doing, so it's not fast when I first picked it up. But regardless, it's still a quick motor. So you're not gonna see my reaction. So if you want to see that, yeah, well, you better stay to see that then, innit? If you want to see my reaction. So yeah, man, wait for the next clip and you just see man just send the dick. You get me, man was. One sec.
Few moments later.
Sending it. There we go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just gonna see what these X-rays are talking about in your eyes. My eyes, I wouldn't know why I run. You know what I mean? These cars are serious cars. People sleep on these cars, but I don't know why they want to sleep on them. Because yo, it's sick. But yeah, man. And listen, we're gone. Woo! Yeah, that DSU fam. Outside nice. Oh man, look at these lot. Yo, get out of my way, man. Get out of my way. I'm just trying to have fun, man. Move. What are you doing? Stop ruining it. Stop ruining it, man. Flipping no. Yeah, man. There we go. Move. Why are you not moving? Are you on the? Come on, man. Move, man. Move. There we go. Lovely chopply, people. Lovely chopply. Yeah, man. I love this toy, man. Sick. Bad boy, man. Bad boy toy. But anyway, people. Yeah. What I'm saying is, what you call it? The plans for this car is gonna be crazy, man. I know I've said it time and time again, but I'm just too excited in it because they finally got the car on the stage 3 package to 600 brake on the Golf and S3 A5 platform. And listen. Obviously, I already seen the turbo on them for that gen. It's not really expensive. To be quite frank, I was actually quite shocked. It was like 2.5. I thought it was gonna be around the £4,000 mark because obviously on the on the RS3 old generation, you look about 4 or 5 grand on the turbos. So I was quite happy. I was like, yeah, this is light change. I mean, it's still expensive, but not as expensive as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, man. And then obviously, like I said, 600 brake. Obviously, a lot of change is gonna be, a lot of things are gonna be changed throughout the whole engine bay. You know what I mean? And then to be quite frank, I don't want to really put a downpipe because that's too loud. You gotta get a full exhaust system to get up the full 600. So a bit long. Anyway, yeah, I've still not sorted some of this stuff out of there on my car yet because I've not really got the time. I'm trying not to drive it as much as I can, you know, people, because yo, I've done a lot of mileage. In the space of a week, I've done 500. 500 is a lot, you know, and I've not really been going anywhere, people, so it's been nuts. Like, what the hell? You think I've been driving to, I don't know, flipping London and back the way I've got up to 500. Nuts, mate. Honestly. Anyway, people. Yeah. No, man, that's me. Woo! Yeah, man. Yeah, sick. Yo, I'm a bit skeptical, you know, that Beamer, it was like Bundy. But should I risk it for the chocolate biscuit? Yeah. Yeah. For the chocolate biscuit, who wouldn't want a chocolate biscuit? She sounds so great. She sounds so great, honestly, man. Sounds so great. She's stuck. She's just stuck. When again, from what I read from the reviews on these cars, obviously there's fake noise popping out of speakers. Me personally, I don't mind it because I'm paying 45 grand on the car. Yeah, give me that fake noise. Mate, I love that shit, mate. You know what I mean? Sounds like an RS3. I don't give a flying monkey. It sounds like a Ford Focus ST. Hey, as long as it sounds good to my ears, mate. Yeah, man. Pump that into my car, mate. I don't care. As long as I'm gapping, you know. Yeah, man. That's a shout. It's a shout. The car does burbles, you know, people, but it's so quiet, man. What the flip? So quiet. Yeah, anyway, forget that. So yeah, man, plans. I want to take this to Santa Pod. Now, before I get it tuned, I want to take a Santa Pod stock. I want to see what sort of powers, what sort of numbers it's getting. I think if I'm not mistaken, anyway, from Carwow, these cars can get like 13s. I don't know if that's even good. 13s, I don't know. I feel like it could slightly do better. It would be wonderful. I don't think it's possible. I mean, it would be nice, as I said, if we can get up the 12s. 12 seconds. Nuts. Yo, last video cut off. So for that, obviously, I'm going to show you some serious clips. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the driver. Anonymous, you know what I mean? Mine's active, but yo, check his car, man. It's an Audi S4 running stage 3, currently running 624 brake. People, I kid you not, this car is an animal. I said to him, yo, I want to see what 600 brake feels like, because that is the aim I'm trying to get. So obviously, so I shout him. He's kindly, you know, replied back. So yeah, man, yo, check. Flipping out. People, you don't understand. To me, this is a lot. 624 brake is a, bro, in the UK. Don't forget. I understand people. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. I can feel it. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Yeah, man. Ah, damn. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Brother. Yo. What the? Yo. That was a lot. Oh, my God. Yo, I had to hold my breath. You know when you get that thing in your belly? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, this is what 600 brakes feels like. Yeah, man, I can't wait. Oh, here we go again. Ah, yo, people, this is like being on a ride, but one of the world's fastest rides, yo. Man, nah, this is serious, man. Ah, yeah, man. I can't even lie, you know. Once I jump back in my car, it's gonna feel like I'm driving like. I can't even lie, bro. Oh. And you know, more like tow, bro. Oh, Lord. Brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, this Donny here, driver. I ain't gonna, yo, I will tell you now, yeah, I will not, never, ever try to drive like that. Bro, the car took them, bro, the car ate them turns, bro. Traction fully off now, yeah? Oh, bro, you know, I'm not gonna lie, bro, I'm actually low-key scared, you know. I'm actually low-key scared, you know. Oh, no. That was, yeah, that's quick, man. And you know what it is? It's the way you took them turns, you ate them turns, bro. Yeah, I can't do that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. No matter, power doesn't buy you, yeah, power doesn't buy you skill, bro. And obviously, it takes skills to yeah, man, flip it, huh? Like, nuts, man. Yo, people. Oh my God. This car is quick. Don't run off, you know. Oh my God. Yo, check this beast, bro. Check this beast. Brother. Fuck this, mate. Yo, S4. Right. Yeah, right. Active. Yo. Active. Yo, people, that reaction there was genuine. Yo, this guy is something else, man. Yo, the owner should be proud of himself. He thinks the car's not quick. He said it doesn't feel quick to him. Brother, yo, this car is a different animal. Like I said, we're in the UK, 600 brake is more than enough, you know what I mean? It's always raining. Me personally, anything more than that, it just doesn't make any sense. But yeah, this is what 600 brake feels like, man. They sign me in, mate. I'm ready for this. Obviously, I can't drive, but yeah, man. But yeah, I'm ready for this though, man. Yo, people, look at this. Yo, look at that. That's a fly, you know. Like, it's just squirting like that, you know. Not even in one spot. It's like bam, 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 bam. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, man. RIP to that fly still. Yeah.